You guys, this wig is so soft. I feel like I've said it a million times, but each time I touch it, I'm like, oh my goodness, like I should sleep on my wig. I guys seeing how those ends are. Ooh. What's up, beautiful people? How you doing? Today I have a kinky straight wig for you guys, and it is from UNice Hair. I'm so excited because if you know me, you will know that I love natural hair textures just because they look good. Okay, anyhow, natural hair textures always look good and they're always easy to work with. So I'm excited to be trying this one from UNice Hair. And inside the box you have the wig, then you also have this HD wig cap. You actually have two or even three. This one comes with accessories. That's the edge band, some nails, and the HD wig cap. Then you have this robe. I love these robes, you guys. I have a lot of them. Very nice silky robes, and an extra HD wig cap. Now this is the wig. Look at the texture. It is kinky straight. Kinky straight texture is more coarse than yaki straight. This is it. Very soft, very lovely. Just look at this. I can't wait to wear this. And this is a bye-bye knot lace wig. Let me show you guys the lace. Yeah, so this is the lace. It is a 7x5 and it has been cut and styled for you. And this is the wig cap. It comes with extra elastic band, so you can use extra elastic band on it and this comb to secure it. And yeah, that's the parting space. So it's a 7x5. You can part it here, you can part it in the center. I'll figure out which one I prefer when I wear it. I'm going to leave a link to this wig in the description box. You guys, just look at it. This is 24 inches, by the way, so it's quite long and full and beautiful. This is going to be a quick install, so let me just go ahead now and color the lace a little bit. You can just go ahead and use your contour color or even your foundation color. It just depends on how your skin tone is. Me personally, I prefer using my contour color on the lace. It blends much better. Okay, so this is the wig just straight out of the box and with a little bit of blending on the lace. I'll still need to blend this lace a little bit, but just look at the texture of this hair, you guys. Just look at how soft and beautiful this texture is. It just looks like natural hair. Oh my goodness, it just looks like natural hair. Like I have really long natural hair. You know those girls on Instagram that either have very long natural hair or very long relaxed hair, and you know they are just showing it off. This is what it looks like exactly, you guys. It is such a soft texture. I like it. I can't emphasize how soft this hair is. This is like cloud. It feels like cloud. So this is it just out of the box. Nothing done to the hair itself. And it looks good. So I'm going to work on the edges just a little bit. I'm not going to do too much because, we're trying to make it look like it's our hair. I'm going to be wearing this glueless. So I'm just going to try and blend this very well so that I can even make it look like it is a full frontal or like it is my natural hair. I'll use my blow drying brush and straighten it so that it can be more straight. But to be honest, I like this look because I already have yaki straight, so I want something that is not too sleek. So I like this look, but yeah, I'll just work on it a little bit. Okay, by the way, this cap was cut around here as well. It's not so obvious, but I can feel it that it goes in a bit around here because it's very comfortable on my head. So in this part, I'm using like a darker, like my contour shade, basically just like a few shades darker than my actual skin tone. That's why I'm using my contour shade. Can you guys see how it is disappearing already? Can you guys see that? This was the brush I used to do my contour, like when I did my foundation. So I'm just going to blend the edges. So I like the pattern. I'm kind of okay with the pattern. Just opening it up a little bit. I'm not even using hot comb yet. I'm not even sure I'm going to use hot comb. In case I didn't say it before, you guys, this wig is so soft, okay? In case I've not said it like 100 times, this wig is so soft. What? So for the edges now, again, I'm not trying to do baby hairs and stuff, but I want to just, rough it up a bit. Just rough it up a bit. so that it can look natural. Okay, I already like how it is plucked and shaped. You guys can see that it looks like it's my hair, but I'm just going to rough it up a bit to try and hide that lace some more, even though the lace is not obvious. Yeah, it's not really obvious, but it just helps to hide the lace some more when you rough up the edges a bit, especially when it comes to this side. Yeah, like this side, when you rough it up a bit, it tends to look like, you know, like it's your hair. So that's what I'm just going to use a little bit of mousse for. So that's pretty much it for those edges. Like I said, I'm not trying to do too much, and it doesn't even have a very strong smell. There's some wigs that when you bring out of the pack, it has a very strong smell. This one doesn't have that smell. It just smells clean, finish. Like, it just smells like wig. It just has a clean smell. So I'm going to be using this blow drying brush. Like I said, I'm not trying to get it too straight. I just need to straighten it a little bit, but not too straight, because I actually like the volume and I like the look. I don't want it to turn to something else, so that's why I'm using a blow drying brush instead of a straightener. But you can actually straighten it if you want it to have that straight, sleek look, but I prefer big hair. Okay. Okay, so I'm done straightening the wig. This is what it looks like. It's still a bit big because I didn't use like an actual straightener, but like I said, I already have sleek hair. I need something different. Okay, I need something different, and I love the look that this wig is giving me. So let me just go ahead and remove the edge band and see what the edges are looking like. Fingers crossed they are giving what they're supposed to give. Okay. Ooh. Yes, they are. Okay. Yes, they are giving what I want them to give. Okay. So I'm pretty much happy with the way the wig looks. Let me show you guys the back of the wig. Like I told you guys, I'm wearing this glueless. I didn't put any glue. I just used mousse to, you know, finesse the edges. If you want to coil this hair, the best way to help it keep coils is for you to coil it and set it. Okay, you can use a coiling iron, but after you're done using that coiling iron, you have to put it into rollers and, you know, spray it down and stuff like that. So I'm not trying to put coils on it. However, I just want to, you know, bring the ends together a bit. I'll show you guys what I mean. I guys seeing how those ends are. Ooh! I like it. Are you seeing that? Yeah, so that's exactly the look I'm going for. Alright guys, that is for this wig. I absolutely love how it looks. I'm going to leave the link to this wig in the description box. It is from UNice Hair and it is 7x5 glueless wig. Okay, it was a glueless install, pre-cut, pre-styled, pre-bleached, pre-everything, bye-bye knot, everything you want in a wig, it has it. And you can also pat it on any side, like you can make it side parts or, you know, center parts like I did. And it just looks good. Minimal effort, minimal styling. It just looks fabulous. I like it.